Ooh, here's the room. Very nice. Here is the closet. This is my luggage. We have robes and slippers, coffee bar. Oh, what's in here? Ooh, oh, a fridge. I could have brought my leftovers in here. Okay, and a very nice bathroom. Okay, very nice, very nice. No tub, that's okay. The shower is very pretty. There I am. And okay, let's go here. Dressing area. That's my travel outfit. Double beds. Let's check out the view. Ooh, lovely parking garage construction. Very nice view. And I have this lovely package waiting for me from Nordstrom. Okay, this was everything in the box. We have this Nashville dish towel. What is this? Ooh, hot chicken skin chips. Yum. Biscuit mix. We have peanut butter almonds, chocolate, shortbread. Oh, cute. It tells you everything. All local Nashville stuff. And thank you, Nashville Nordstrom designer team. Thanks, Nordstrom. Hey guys, I am here in Nashville. Nordstrom invited me to their designer showcase event here at the Nordstrom at the mall at Green Hills in Nashville. It's one of their flagship stores. So they have all the designer brands, all the luxury brands, and they have a bunch of trunk shows this weekend. There's a cocktail party that they invited me to. So I'm very excited. It was a little bit of a rush getting here, so I wasn't able to film, like at the airport and whatever, do like a proper travel vlog. But I'm here. They had a very lovely package waiting for me that I have already unboxed. I had lunch and I'm going to get ready for the cocktail party. I'm unpacking my clothes. I always like to put my clothes away in the hotel drawers. For this trip, I brought my base backpack and my away suitcase. This is in the rose gold aluminum. I always keep my clothes in the packing cubes. And I wanted to share the jewelry that I packed for this trip that you will be seeing a lot of. You've seen this necklace on my channel before, but this is the mixed shape bar necklace from HAUTECARAT. I love the case and it's great for travel. It's got this little light built into the jewelry box and it just is so pretty. I love all the different shapes and this goes so well with every single outfit that I have planned for this trip. So I will be wearing this tonight to the cocktail party and then all day tomorrow, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. I'm very excited to wear this. My wedding rings are also from HAUTECARAT. This is the Radiant Cut Halo engagement ring and the Pave diamond band. They have a great program where you can trade in your engagement ring and they will buy it back for 100% of the price. If you want to upgrade for like an anniversary or something, if you want to get a bigger stone or a different ring, they will buy it back from you. I love that their jewelry is 100% ethical. They are based here in the United States and all their jewelry is handmade in Chicago. Because they are lab created diamonds, you don't have to worry about any conflict diamonds. I will also be wearing these oval diamond inside out hoops and these are in white gold. My rings are rose gold and this is yellow gold. I don't know if it's hard to see, but I love mixing pieces. I just think it all looks so pretty together. This is so sparkly, guys. Can you see how sparkly it is? I have very long hair and this still sparkles right through it. So I am so excited to wear this. It's very dressy. All these pieces look great with a casual outfit, but I also like to dress it up, which is perfect for this trip because I have a bunch of casual and dressy events to go to. So. So cute. Wow. Spitting image.
On you in any of these colors, including topics.
All these?
All those.
Okay.
And then you can change your bracelet.
Oh, I like that they call it bracelet, like jewelry.
And then I actually have.
I wish I was getting married again. I would get the blue, like this one. It's so cute.
I do not. I want to elope. The Shea, which is exclusive to Nordstrom, it is my personal favorite. And then the Bailey Flat, which is also available at Nordstrom. You can customize the bottom of them. So you can do blue, you can do your initials with brides. This is included just to make it your own. So you can do
a date as well, right?
blue, you can do gold, yep. Or you can do, you're going to work, the flats on the bottom. You can do a date
the
flat.
lace. Oh, cute.
So
A date.
Like anniversary, birthday, wedding. I've had someone do it for a prom date, which
Oh,
is
wow.
crazy. I was like, can I go back to prom? I'm good. Like, I think I got it going on. And then on the bottom, so not in the crystal program, is our core, which we just relaunched. You can do the Heloise, which I'm wearing. You can do the Sakura, which is beautiful and on 100, and then any of our pumps.
Okay. Okay, we are back from Nordstrom. It was so much fun. We had drinks. I bought a lot of stuff. I ate a lot of hors d'oeuvres. We saw a lot of spring fashion for next year preview. They did a drawing of us, which was really cute. This is my outfit. I don't know if I did a outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Vici for Nordstrom dress. Earrings are the oval inside out diamond hoops from HAUTECARAT. And also from HAUTECARAT, we have this mixed shape bar necklace. The dress I ended up wearing, I brought 3 options and I just was like, I was cold. So I wore this. It's a Vici sweater dress, but the midriff is cut out. It's really cute. And then I had my Jimmy Choo Bing mules. Okay, we have some more events in store tomorrow, but today we got these very pretty dried flower bouquets from Jimmy Choo. I was going to get a pair of custom order Jimmy Choo shoes, but then I saw another pair and they were so cute and I'm still thinking about whether I'm going to get them. We'll see. And this is the drawing that the artist illustrated. There's my little Jimmy Choo Bing mules, my dress. That was my purse of the day, was the Benedetta Viti La Mignon. And that's me. Isn't that just such a striking resemblance? She really got my eyelashes, the perfect exact length of my real eyelashes. My hair, I think, could have been longer, but she really gave my hair a lot of volume. She was a great artist. I'll tag her Instagram. She did a really good job capturing our likeness. All right, so that is it for day 1 of this Nordstrom trip. I'm so tired. I got up so early this morning. This is Central Time and I'm on East Coast time and I'm so tired. So we're gonna go down, get some dinner and continue this fun tomorrow. Today is day 2 of my Nordstrom in Nashville trip. This is my OOTD. This new denim jacket is from Veronica Beard. It has this really cool braided trim. And my necklace is HAUTECARAT. I forgot to put earrings. I just have my studs. And this dress is Vero Moda from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And then my boots are Jimmy Choo. So this is it. We have more trunk shows, I think, today. But we're going to lunch first. And I am not hungry at all. There's a lot of walking here in Nashville, so I had to bring comfortable shoes. Okay, so we're gonna go out later, and I really wanna go and ride a mechanical bull tonight. I don't know if we're gonna do that, but this is the daytime outfit. I'm here in the Nordstrom fitting room, and I'm about to try on a bunch of clothes from Chanel. Let's see the options. I really like this tank. It's like a crochet tank with the crystal and pearls. These just weren't working for me. This is okay. This one, I don't like the paint kind of trim here. This was okay. It's doesn't really fit. It's a little too open at the top, and the material is very thin for this one. And then I was like looking at the seam, and it was a little uneven. I don't know. I just thought it's a $3,000 dress. It just didn't seem like a $3,000 dress to me. This was okay. This one was okay. They all were okay. They all were okay. That navy tweed skirt was cute. It didn't fit, and they didn't have a bigger size. This cardigan is actually really nice, but I'm not a huge fan of this shiny thread. And it's too big, so I don't even know why I pulled it. Let's see. This top is cute, very sheer. And this. And these, it's okay. What would I wear this with? I don't know. It's okay. Okay, it is dinner time. We had a long day at the store. My outfit of the day, again, my HAUTECARAT diamond oval inside out hoop earrings. I have my mixed bar necklace. This dress actually is from the Nordstrom sale. It's like a dolman sleeve wrap dress. My bag is the Chanel 19. I have my Jimmy Choo boots. Not super dressy. We're going to dinner at Restoration Hardware, and then we're gonna go walk downtown Nashville. So I don't know if we're gonna change. We'll see. But this is it. Very nice. These are so sparkly. See that sparkle. I love this dress with the sleeves, and very comfy wrap dress. And then my boots because we are walking. All right, guys, I am packing up to go back home. I find it more difficult to pack to go home. I don't know how I fit it the first time, and then I have even more things. But anyway, one thing that I did pack that I actually didn't end up using was this. I just got this new pair of Thanks for All period underwear. I thought I might need it on this trip. It turned out I didn't, so this is still brand new, but I wanted to share this. Have you guys tried out this period underwear? I guess when it's that time of the month, it's supposed to take the place of, I guess, a day's worth during that time. It's supposed to be a lot more eco-friendly. Thanks for All everyday underwear with built-in period protection to keep you fresh, dry, and comfortable. They're reusable, just machine wash, wash cold, hang dry, repeat. So I actually think this is a great idea, especially at nighttime. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very excited to try this out. We are leaving now. Here is my luggage. Very nice hotel. And heading to the airport. All right, I'm here at the airport on my way home, and so here's my luggage situation. I have my away bag, I have my base backpack, and everything is fully stuffed to the gills because I only packed my carry-on, but then I got some other stuff. I managed to shove it in here, but I really want to bring these 2 flower bouquets home. These are the Jimmy Choo dried flower bouquet gifts that we got from the Nordstrom event, and they're so cute. So I have it here now. I was gonna toss this bag before I got on the plane because they're pretty strict about, you know, one carry-on, one personal item, which this is already pushing it with how wide it is. But look at my hack, my travel hack. I'm gonna stick it in here. Boom, water bottle. What's the word? Garnish. Water bottle garnish. It's a refreshment. And there you go. No one will be the wiser. Perfect. And then this other side, I have my water bottle full, and you can see it's like I'm maxed out. There's no room. No room. Even my Prada that I wear, if they're strict about it, I have to take it off and then shove it in here, or I can hide it under my jacket, like a little pooch, little belly pooch. But all right, this is my luggage situation. I really want to bring this home. I'm gonna try. We'll see what happens. So.